Hey Alan, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, you guys have a nice looking site here. And these call to actions really help with your conversions. One thing that I would recommend here would be to add some more content to this homepage. The reason is Google has crawlers that are crawling the internet 24/7. So they're seeing what content is on your page here, what your photos are saved as, seeing what keywords are on there. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your home page to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want some keywords embedded throughout. And here is an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair DFW. And so when your customers search this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And I see that you guys have an ad here. If we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that, 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank these other businesses is to have a Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, in other places like Yelp, and then a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section down here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on the first page here because 90% of people stay on the first page, and you want to be as high up as possible. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website here for this keyword. I have Premier plugged in here. If we go through their site, you are already beating them in the content department. So let's take a look at the back end of each one. I have Premier plugged into Ahrefs here, and we're going to look at ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. They have 35 and 7. And what's making up their ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 3.22 thousand backlinks coming from 188 referring domains. And it is worth mentioning that not all backlinks are created equal. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers here, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you want to be intentional when you're picking backlinks. And then Premier has 291 keywords on their website. So let's take a look at your website. I have your website plugged in here, and you will have 28 and 2.9 coming from your 1.84 thousand backlinks from 126 referring domains. And then you will have 210 keywords on your website. And so what I would recommend here would be to boost these numbers. You want these higher than your competitors. The way that you do that is getting those high quality backlinks here, more of them. And then you want to make sure that you have high quality buyer intent keywords on your website. So if we go back to Premier's, one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would go into these backlinks that Premier has here, and then you would link those to your website as well, because if it's working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of their keywords that they have. Foundation Repair Dallas. 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair, 150, 180, 100, and this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to get some more of this traffic for yourself, you want to make sure that your Google business profile is ranking, so have those citations added there. And then you want your website ranking as well. So you'd add more high quality backlinks so that you are boosting your authority and trustworthiness of your website. And then you would like it would be important to add that content and those buyer intent keywords that you are interested in targeting. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to know your feedback, so if you'll give me a call letting me know if it was helpful, and I'll let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.